welcome to Rihanna's World. My name is Rihanna and this is my brother David.
Hi guys.
So we're gonna unbox this Lego set and let's see how fast we can do it. So over here it shows that we need to poke our fingers in here to open it. So let's do it. Oh my god! Look! We found four, five, and two, and three. So, there's lots of books for this, and looks like there's stickers for it also. There's nothing else in the box, so we just keep that there. So we need packet one for it. David, can you get packet one?
Packet one.
Good boy. So let's cut it with scissors.
Let's keep it scissors for now.
Okay. So David, we need to dump that all in. Oh, there's some small packets here also. I think we should open them, but let's wait for the instructions. So guys, I'm gonna put a timer or a stopwatch. So we're gonna check how fast we can finish packet number one. Let's do it. Let's do it, David. Okay, so do you have the pieces stick?
Yeah.
Last piece is done. So it almost took like 36 minutes to finish this car. So book one is done.
Yeah. Book one.
So this car is done.
Here for now.
So we're gonna do the next book in the next video, and if you guys want to know how it looks like, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Bye guys.